You retrieve 4 chunks to answer a question about the refund window. Each chunk is 1,000 characters long, but the actual answer is contained in 2 sentences scattered across those 4 chunks. The remaining 3,000 characters is background noise. The language model has to read through and ignore. Contextual compression solves this by extracting only the relevant sentences from each chunk before the language model ever sees them. After episode 13, we are passing large parent chunks to the language model. Those chunks are rich with context, but they also contain sentences that have nothing to do with the current query. The language model has a finite context window and pays distributed attention across everything it reads. Filling that window with irrelevant sentences weakens attention on the facts that matter. Contextual compression is a post-retrieval step that reduces each chunk to only the sentences that are relevant to the specific query. Contextual compression sits between the retriever and the language model. After chunks are retrieved, each one is passed individually to a compressor alongside the original query. The compressor returns only the portion of the chunk that is relevant to the query. The language model then reads a set of tight, focused excerpts instead of full chunks. There are 2 types of compressor. LLM-based compressors are more precise because they understand language but cost an extra model call per chunk. Embedding-based compressors are faster and free. The LLMChainExtractor uses a language model to extract only the relevant sentences from each chunk. We create it by passing our language model to the fromLLM class method. Then, we wrap it with a contextual compression retriever, passing the extractor as the compressor and our existing retriever as the base. From this point on, every call to the compression retriever automatically retrieves chunks and compresses them in one step. The underlying retriever can be any retriever we have built in this series. Testing the extractor shows the impact clearly. Before compression, each chunk was around 1,000 characters. After compression, each chunk is around 120 characters containing only the sentences that directly address the refund question. That is an 85% reduction in context window usage for this query. The language model now reads a clean, focused summary of the relevant information from each document rather than entire pages of mixed content. The LLMChainFilter works differently to the extractor. Instead of extracting relevant sentences from each chunk, it makes a binary decision. Is this chunk relevant to the query at all? If yes, the full chunk is kept. If no, the entire chunk is dropped. This is useful when your chunks are already reasonably small and you just want to remove the ones that the retriever surfaced incorrectly. It uses fewer tokens per call than the extractor because it only needs a yes or no decision. The EmbeddingsFilter is the fastest option because it never makes a language model call. It embeds each retrieved chunk and computes cosine similarity against the query embedding. Any chunk whose similarity falls below the threshold is dropped. We set the threshold at 0.76. Chunks above that score are kept and passed to the language model. This approach is less precise than the LLM-based options but adds almost no latency and has no extra API cost beyond the embedding call. The drop-in is the same single-line change we have made in every episode. Replace the retriever in the chain with the compression retriever. The rest of the chain is untouched. The language model now receives compressed context on every query. Fewer tokens, tighter focus, better answers. The choice depends on your priorities. Use the LLMChainExtractor when answer quality is the top concern, and you can absorb 1 extra language model call per chunk. Use the LLMChainFilter when your chunks are already small, and you just need to remove the clearly irrelevant ones. Use the EmbeddingsFilter for high-traffic systems where latency and cost matter more than perfect precision. For the best of all 3, chain the EmbeddingsFilter before the extractor, so only genuinely relevant chunks get the expensive extraction treatment. You now know how contextual compression reduces context window waste, the difference between extracting relevant sentences and filtering out irrelevant chunks, and how to chain the EmbeddingsFilter with the LLMChainExtractor for maximum efficiency. In the next episode, we cover metadata filtering at scale. How to use document metadata to scope retrieval to exactly the right subset of your corpus before semantic search even runs. Subscribe so you do not miss it. See you in the next one.